Hi there, this is Aurora with superchargedscience.com. If you want to do some science experiments that are easy to do, inexpensive, easy to do with your kids, to really spark their excitement about science and about their curiosity about the world all around them. I mean, look where I am now. I'm at Yellowstone National Park, and I just took a sample of water. And what we're going to do is we're going to run it under the microscope and see what lives here. But if you'd like to do this and you'd like more information on how to do that, my website is www.superchargedscience.com. And again, I'm Aurora at superchargedscience.com. And I'm going to show you step by step how to analyze what's in the water in a sample. And it's really simple to do. If you don't have a compound microscope, that's totally fine. All you need are two handheld microscopes, and I'll show you how to do that. That's super simple. But one of the first things you need to remember is you don't need to know all the answers. As a parent or as an educator, as a science teacher, and what's really cool about that is it takes you off the hot seat of having to know it all. I mean, science is a process. It's not a laundry list of things to get done. It's a process of asking questions and getting back answers. So it's about being curious about the world around you and allowing time for kids to explore and really roll around with whatever it is that they're excited about and interested in. So I'm going to create another video so it'll walk you step by step through how to analyze any pond water samples, something from the dog dish, anything like that, and so you guys can take a look at that. Again, my name is Aurora at superchargedscience.com.